Okay, so I'm going to be running the Microfluidics demo part. I've got MotusCNC open and I've loaded this G-code file here that we've created for this part. I'm going to go to the run screen here. Take a look at this. So this is MotusCNC. It has a full 3D model of the actual machine. So if I jog the machine around, it will actually show the machine motion and will show you where the part's actually going to be run after you're doing your offsets. So it's pretty easy to visualize where things are going to happen. I can also switch to just the toolpath view itself. So here's the toolpath that we're going to be running. Also going to switch to camera view, so here you can actually see the tool that's in the spindle. So there's my finger. This is a 1/16 inch Endmill that we're going to use first for facing and doing the edge profile. So I've already zeroed my coordinate system, so we're more or less ready to run. So I'm just going to start the program. You can also select slow here if you want to have things start slowly, or there's also a shuttle mode which lets you control the program step by step. Now it's going to do additional finishing pass. If you want to override the job, you can do speed overrides here. Spindle speed override, feed override. Also do a combo override, so you can increase the spindle speed and the feed rate at the same time. Now it's going to do the outer profile. It's checking that the tool's not broken and then continuing. Let's put the tool away now. Now it's checking that the tool has been taken out of the collet and switching to the next tool. This is the 1/100th of an inch diameter tool. supposed to start in the air. Looks like that's what it's doing. You can see that it's been making a slot there. Program's done.